If you're searching for the best data visualization certificate on Coursera, it can be difficult to choose because there are dozens of options. In this video, I'll highlight the 3 best programs based on ratings, learner reviews, popularity, industry recognition, and the credibility of the issuing institution. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, check the link in the description. It gives you access to the latest discount on Coursera Plus. Number 3 is Microsoft Data Visualization Professional Certificate. This beginner-friendly program focuses on Power BI, dashboards, DAX, business intelligence, and data storytelling. It's backed by Microsoft, has a solid 4.6 out of 5 rating, and is ideal if you're preparing for a career using Microsoft's analytics tools. Number 2 is Data Visualization with Tableau from the University of California, Davis. This specialization has earned more than 8,300 learner reviews with a 4.5 rating. It teaches Tableau dashboards, interactive visualizations, storytelling, and business reporting. Because it's offered by a well-known university and has thousands of reviews, it's one of the most trusted Tableau programs on Coursera. My top recommendation is IBM Data Analysis and Visualization Foundations. This beginner specialization has an excellent 4.7 rating from more than 31,000 reviews, making it one of the most popular and highest reviewed visualization programs on the platform. You'll learn Excel, IBM Cognos Analytics, dashboards, data storytelling, visualization techniques, and core data analysis skills. The IBM credential also carries strong industry recognition for entry-level analytics roles. If you're planning to take more than one of these programs, buying them individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the better value. It gives you unlimited access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from IBM, Microsoft, Google, Stanford, Johns Hopkins, Duke, and many other leading institutions. Right now, eligible learners can save 40% on the first 3 months of the Coursera Plus monthly plan. The monthly price drops from $59 to $35.40 for 3 consecutive months. It's an excellent deal if you plan to complete several programs. If you'd like to explore these data visualization certificates or claim the latest Coursera Plus discount, you'll find the link in the description below.